Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abu Bakar and I am a student of Mechatronics Engineering at a university. Today we'll learn how to implement the truth tables on Proteus and Quartus, and also how to simplify them into Carnot maps and the uses of K-maps. Here you can see we have a function x and four inputs a, b, c, d, and we can see that at where the function output is 1, we will consider our inputs and take out the expression into our equation. As you can see, the first expression the one is at the value 1, so here is a is 0 0 0 and d is 1. For the value 0 we will take a complement or any variable with its complement, and for the value 1 the variable will be itself without the complement. We can see that the output corresponds to a certain variable which is common in all of the expressions. For example, we have a common variable d which is common in all of the expressions because of its same high value. So we can see that wherever the d variable is 1, we are getting our output as high. In first, here we can see it is 1, here it is also 1 and also 1 here. So you can see another example. You can see that here b and c are same for both the expressions, but the a is different. Here is a complement and here is a simple, so we get our common variables b, c complement. Also you can see here our a complement b is same. Here we can see that b complement and c complement are same. Now in order to pair the variables in our K map, we can consider the truth table from the previous picture. We uh, we can see that our to draw the K map, we will write all of the possible combinations of the variables a complement b complement a complement b a b and a b complement. Similarly for c d c complement d complement c complement d c d and c d complement. Now we will check where our output is 1 for a complement, b complement and c complement d. We can see our output is 1, so we can write here 1 here. For all of the adjacent high values, we can make a pair. We have to make sure that the pair is the largest of the largest size. For our 4 inputs, our K map is a 4 cross 4 output, which means it will have 16 combinations of. We the expression here we have is called SOP form, in which it is reduced into a lower number of components required for the circuit. But if we implement the whole logic circuit, then it would not be. But if we use the whole truth table and all of its possible combinations, and so it will be a more costlier circuit, and it will require more components. K-maps provide us a solution for that and simplify the expression to reduced components. So here is our Proteus circuit implementation of our expression. Let's simulate the circuit. So you can see that the circuit is running on our expression. Let's see, which is a complement, b complement, c complement, d, and so on. You can see that the first input is the first gate represents the first expression, a complement, b complement, c complement, d, and the second expression is expressed by the second gate, and so on. So you can the LED is glowing As we can see that our expression is simple. The final form of the expression after reduction of the common variable will be d, so it will be simple high or low case. We can implement our more complex circuit with final SOP form in one or two with more than one expressions, and we can similarly implement their gates. Like consider this circuit, we will have to implement three OR gates and three AND gates after reduction. However, its simpler form would be more complex and more component will be required to fabricate the circuit. Let's move towards our Quartus implementation. Here is our code for the expression. On Quartus we will give the module all of the variables it requires. We'll give the input, four inputs, and one output is for our standard output, and the second one will be for our simplified or reduced used for the K-map. You can see the expression here. The negative sign represents here the not of a variable, the and represents the and operation between two variables, and the straight bars represents the OR function between two expressions. So we will assign the expression to the corresponding variables, and we will write an output statement to print the results. So our simulation is complete, and let's see our RTL view. This is our RTL view, in which we have the inverted and inverted NOT gates and AND gates similar to the Proteus circuit. We have already made the connection so that they follow the required values and required combination. Let's check the waveform. Here is our waveform. You can see that two outputs, the standard module and the K-map reduced waveform, both are the same, in which the standard the reduced K-map value corresponds to the value d, in which is common in all of the expressions, which is that when it is 1 it prints out 1. Similarly, the both out of the outputs, this reduced and the standard outputs are same. I hope this would help you understanding in the K-map usage of K-map on and its implementation on Proteus and Quartus. Thank you.